ice cream today.
Almost done?
It might smell a little
You
bit
know
like
what was?
sulfur just 'cause I got well water.
There was
But
2 sheets
I
there.
can't believe it.
Oh, really? You cut 2?
And
All right.
Gumby. It's called barrettes. Or you can pull it back in a ponytail. We know you'll be
Alright,
pretty enough
so
when you get here, so
you'll
just
have to
come
move
on.
the little ladder over
Wait.
there. Alright, we got Jamie and MamaV and Kevin. Where's Jamie over there? We're going to go ahead and get a couple of pieces cut out, marked up. And then once we get these cut, we'll be able to take them to the back side. And the reason that we're going to go ahead and give a couple of ones, get them cut and get them ready to go, is so that we won't have to wait later on while we're up on the roof, and then it'll have to get done. Because we don't want to be up there on the roof waiting on metal, huh?
Last time we did it, it was rough.
Yeah.
It's like not worth climbing down and not
Man. So now you know why it's important for everybody to be on time when it comes to work. We're not going to name any names, Gumby. If you would have been here on time, we'd already been on the roof.
Straight A's and a marker right there.
Yeah.
I've been giving him a hard time this morning, guys. Everyone to go over to Junk to Jim's Homestead and comment, hard time. Give him a hard time, because he gave us a hard time this morning. He is having a rough morning. The dogs got out and ran away, so he's having a hard time. But guess what?
Give him a hard time.
Give him a hard time. I know, guys. We're getting ready to get to it.
If I can find it.
We're going to be getting ready, Mama V. We're getting ready to hop up on the roof.
man told me to carry a pocket full of grease.
Edit that out, Mom V.
I didn't have my camera on for that one.
I had a dream once, I kept it close. It seemed so important to have it all then. I used to believe that I needed to be someone to actually be someone. Everyone else seemed to get it right, but now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, no, no. I am rich. Isn't it funny, though? Looking back, all I see is signs. I'll never needed what they expected of me. All I ever needed was me to believe in my God telling me I don't want that life, or all the things you're supposed to like. But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich.
Mine looks better. I'm gonna say I did this. This is my line. That's your line up there.
I was on the bottom.
Here, get the thumbnail now.
The fun part is going to be getting that ridge cap on and being able to get your strapping undone.
Not gonna be able to. We're gonna have to unclip, and I'm gonna have to do it from the top down.
Exactly.
It should stick out underneath it.
It's not though.
You don't?
No, that's gonna. Well, yeah. Well, just the bottom of that D ring will stick out,
Enough to
Gary.
unhook?
That's almost perfect center. You see where it is? It's gonna come out just fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now he'll still have to.
No, it'll be perfect.
Well, how
Now,
do you
yeah,
unclip from
I'll
down
have to.
there?
I'll still have to shimmy down. It's still gonna be a beast.
Yeah.
You have to get an 8-foot ladder over here.
No, what we
How
need
am
is
I
to
gonna-
extend this ladder all the way up.
Oh yeah. Extend that ladder all the way up, and just hold the bottom,
Yeah.
and I'll slide down and try to catch it like cliffhanger.
It ain't going nowhere. It's into a ditch down here.
Right.
But these, you got the screws still? Those should be our metal screws.
Yeah, that D-ring, is that?
We're good.
It
We're
sticks
good.
out enough.
We're good.
Yeah. He's just gonna have to unhook to it
No,
and then get down.
I'll show you how to do it. I would extra.
I'm the guy that they call when they're scared.
I'm the guy
Alright, we
when
gotta go
Tom,
that way with it.
when Tom Cruise's extra was nervous,
Gonna have
they
to-
called me.
I mean, I'll come grab it, but when we go up, I want it up here. We're gonna pull it this way.
Okay.
Because we don't have much room to stand.
Alright, you have to flip your rope then.
Yeah.
Mary, can you go over there and catch that rope?
Hey, you got your phone?
There you go. Go ahead. Get to me and I'll get it under.
This is it, life's not infinite, it's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Will it click? Looking for the next new fix. Is this the new kind of sick? Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? They say they have the answers, but no one's giving getting better. They say they have the answers. It's always pay to enter. And isn't life funny? Make some money, spend it all to feel less crummy, and think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. Well, what else? Sit by ourselves, think about the hands we're dealt and all our guilt. Think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. They say
The little one. The little ladder. Where he's at. Ready? Two more coming to you.
Thank goodness you built that laundry room. Yep.
Come on, stop, turn the key and cooler on. Push the pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole wheel through.
Your crew's got you, man.
Today I've got better things
So yeah, quit being goofy.
Oh, come on, here goes the fat Joe.
to leave a little bit undone.
Let me turn around and come down properly.
There you go.
Be the cat in the sun.
See the fat guy in the bathroom one time, and he's fumbling around trying to...
Very well done, Mike.
What's wrong? Is this...
Drew, Mike, y'all did a damn good job. Look at what y'all got done today. Holy smokes. Did you hear that movement in that tree? I thought it was more solid than that. Gonna have to put a shout out for some help, guys.